Hello. My name is Jack. I'm the new flatmate. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, Jack. I'm Peter Nash. And Sharon? Okay, and this is Sharon.
It's a pleasure.
How are you, Sharon?
Fine, thanks.
Oh, good, you're friends. So, guys, there's work in the kitchen for everyone.
Please help me.
Sure.
Here's the form. I'm not very good with computers.
Okay, let me see. Yes, it's simple. What is your last name, Alice?
My last name is Dubois.
And where are you from?
I'm from Australia, but I'm proud to have French blood.
Really?
Yes, my grandmother was from Avignon.
Fascinating. And how do you spell your last name?
D-U-B-O-I-S.
Dubois. And the name is A-L-I-C-E. Okay. What's your job?
Well, actually, I'm a student, but I consider myself a painter.
Yes, I know. And what's your address?
The same as you, 45 Trinity Lane.
Right. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Are you married?
Well, I'm on the market. Are you interested?
You know, Alice, I only love my music.
And what about Sharon?
Did you see Sharon's face? She was really surprised to see Jack, wasn't she? And did you notice in that episode of That's Life how Peter helped Alice with a job application form, and there were a lot of questions that she needed to answer about her personal details. Those are very important questions, and now I'd like to look at those with you on the screen because we use them very often. All right? The first one is, what's your first name? What's your first name? Well, my first name is Louise. And you, what's your first name? Next, what's your surname? Now, we can say surname, last name, or family name. So we have three possibilities for that. What's your surname? Well, my surname is Evans. And you? What's your surname? Sounds difficult. Next one. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Cambridge. And you? Okay, next question. What's your job? What's your job? I'm a teacher. And you? What's your job? Next one. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is 071 563 4121. And you? What's your phone number? All right, next one. What's your address? What's your address? My address is 140 Gilbert Road, Cambridge, England. And your address? I'm sure it's difficult. Next one. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm not married, but I hope to get married to my boyfriend sometime. We'll see. And you? Are you married? And the last question. How old are you? How old are you? I'm not telling you how old I am. What about you? How old are you? No? Okay, fair enough. Good. So those are some of the most important questions that you need when you're talking about your personal details. So memorize them. They're very important to use. Okay? So, now let's go back and see more of That's Life. Bye.
And you are a great cook.
Thank you, Jack. Big announcement. Finally, I have all the points and I can get that marvellous set of Chinese plates.
What?
Yes, with the cookies. Help me fill in the form, Jack, please.
All right. Let me see the questions. What's your name?
Are you joking?
Okay. A-N-N-E. And what's your family name?
My surname?
Yes.
Right, Baxter.
B-A-X-T-E-R. And what's your phone number?
It's 0454
Uh-huh.
786 2097.
0454 788 2097.
No, it's 0454 786 2097.
Right.
You have to remember, this is your telephone number too.
You're right. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Oh, a pretty girl like you is still single?
Stop it, Jack, please. Yes. For the moment, I'm single.
Next question, please. Where are you from?
There are a lot of questions.
It's for your Chinese plates.
Okay, for the last time, I'm from England. From Oxford.
A-X-F-O-R-D.
No. O-X-F-O-R-D.
Just joking.
That's okay. What's next?
Just 2 more questions. The address is?
45 Trinity Lane. Flat C.
What's the postcode?
EC1 4RN.
EC1 4RN. And what's your job?
I'm an employee in a publishing company.
Oh, well, you're just the right person for me. I have a great love story to write.
Hi, and welcome back to English Today. That was a lot of questions, wasn't it, for some Chinese plates? Now, do you know how to use the English alphabet? Well, I'm going to give you a little test. Now, at home, take a piece of paper and a pen and write this word. You ready? Right. W. Just a minute. W. E. A. T. H. E. R. R. That's difficult. Let me see what you got. Did you get this? Weather. It's difficult, especially this. R. It's difficult. So what I want to do now is we'll go to the screen and I will explain how the alphabet is divided into different groups to help you remember. Okay? So let's look at the screen. The first group is with the sound A, and the letters are A, H, J, and K. All right? The second group is with the sound E at the end. So the letters are B, C, D, E, G, P, T, and V. Okay? The next group is with the sound E. For example, F, L, M, N, S, X, and Z. E in the middle. Z. All right? Next group is I, the sound I. And the letters are I and Y. The next group is O, which is the letter O. And then U, the sound U. And the letters are Q, U, and W. And then the last one is R. and that is the letter R, and that's difficult. Now, look at the screen and let's have another test. So, write this word. Ready? K, I, look at the screen. T, C, H, E, look at the screen, N. Whoop. There you go. And what did you get? Did you get the same as me? This is the word. Kitchen. Not easy, is it? If you follow that system, it really works. Now, we also heard them using numbers. And I want to look at that with you now at the screen again. So, the easy numbers, which I'm sure you know already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, from 1 to 9 we use on the telephone. And we also say on the telephone O or 0. The Americans say 0. Let's move on. 11, 12. Now these are interesting numbers that follow. Listen. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Now all of those numbers finish with teen. And if you are the age from 13 to 19, then you are called a teenager. That's where it comes from, teenager. Okay? Great. Now let's move on. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. I think that's enough for now because we've learned a lot of things. We've learned the alphabet and numbers. So keep practicing those because you're going to use them all the time, all right? And I'll see you again in the next lesson here on English Today. Bye.